Hello kids, welcome to my channels. Colors name: orange color, brown color, blue color, neon color or light yellow color, red color, pink color, sky blue color, black color. A for apple. A for apple. B for butterfly. B for butterfly. C for carrot. C for carrot. D for dog. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. F for fish. So kids, what we learned today? We learned A for apple, B for butterfly, C for carrot, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget, like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you in next video. Till then, bye.